Hello guys, this is the third tutorial how to lay out our map area. So now we go to the scale bar. This is the various scale bar which can you use it as you wish. So I just picking this one and created from this area part. So you can go to the properties. This is the text if you visible or you can not visible, and you can change the scale bar name. It will be changed this name also. If you use the another, for example, meters and this kind of thing, you can use it. And if you change your name, for example, km, so it will be directly shows you are this km. Label position means the 200, this 2000 will be above or below. So if you for example click like this, so it will be like this, can be shown below the right. If you like this, so it will be shown like this. If you can go this, so this kilometer will be shown like this, and but after bar is very okay. You can change your symbology of the kilometer. This is the this bar will be how much will be the adjust video. For example, if you just click on this, so it will be create a comma after decimal, you will create it. And if you are clicking on this, so the decimal adjust, and I go to the this value, this will be okay to me. This will be another things which can you change it. This is the borders. If you change the color of the border, you are, for example, if I go to red, so the border will be red in color. So you can change your color of the border. If I go to the black one, see the background color will be the black one. So I not needed the color. If you change your color of the shaded, so you can also change your shaded color. I not need it, and this will be okay to me. If I go to bar, if I select this one is black in color, it will be good to me. Let's search where is the okay. So you can also uh, point it your location from where to where. So this will be okay to me. If you go to center it, okay, and go to this border. Not with the border. Background color. This will be go to the red color. The bar color will be red. The bar will be the black colors will be okay, and little bit high the thickness. Go to this. What is this? Okay, this is also the bar color. No need it. Just still apply. Okay. Go to the hide bar mask. Okay, let's. I think it's it to me. Okay, this is the color. If you click it, and this is the black, and this will be the yes, this will be also the black in color. So it will be like, so now which can we need it will be okay. So this will be the black in color. It will be clearly visible if you are just save it. If you are just save it, yes, so it will be clearly visible. Now it's turn to legends. You can also create, but there is no chart. You can also create a table of this one. For example, if I created this second and go to this one, okay, so it will be not sure because I not click on it, so I remove it. Cut. by clicking this one. Oh, no, by clicking this one, and then we go to the table and let's see if they are visible to me. Okay, so they are not visible, so you must to click on it to in order to visible on it. If I click on it, later we will be transparent. Click on it and I this, then go to the table if they are still visible. I not need it, but for the practice we can why they are not visible. Just wait a minute. If I click this and go to the table format, still visible. If I click this, okay, so it's not visible. If I go to the my map and go to this attribute table, so still loading. This why they should not show the attribute table, that's why they are not visible your map area. So because you can, if I overlap like this, and now okay, this is very small. If I go to the right click and layout, if I go to the sketch, yes, this. So we cannot need it. So the attribute when there is this option is open, so you will be easily change on it. So in this area, in this context, we cannot need this area, so we can remove it. And whenever you go to your layout option, so if I for example click on it, here is the my map, where is the my this folder is the yes, and go to the legends. If I go to this, so they will show me the your selected area. Yes, and this is the very high area. If you can like this, I remove it and go to this, and by shifting this, so these two, if I click on it, okay, so both by clicking this and this, and you can whenever you just on the legends, so it will be on the legends. You can change now in this context what will be the, for example, if I change, right click on it and go to properties, you can change everything. For example, this legend, no, I'm not sure, because yes, okay, if I click on it, index, okay, this legend you cannot show, so you can this click, so it will be not showing. Okay, so this is the rocks. Yes, rocks is the good. You can change your text symbols. For example, if I go to the appearance, You can change your, for example, if I go to my times in Roman, and yes, what will be the, will be bold, will be 12, 5. Okay, so it will be change your text size. But now if I go to my this one and only the um, layer name, I go to layer name and go to 14, so it will be this rocks will be now increases the size. For example, if I go to 20, so it will be go to rocks layer. Yes, and you can also change your hollow means their background color will be, for example, if I go to white, if I go to a red color, so you can be easily see it. So this will be easily you can see it. So this will be information. You can also change the other text also, so I think it will be okay to me. So now this will change the color also, and later on in next video we will be finalize and export the jpg image, because 10 minutes is our end. So you can also remove this one also in the next video.